Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I decided to make a video. Look of the day. It's not easy to literally be strong. It is easy to be weak, right? I am valuing in self pity, and that I could see the changes in me especially when I eat fresh food, freshly cooked food, and make my own meals. It's made a lot of difference to me. So I would request people. I know you all have money and you all will can order and eat fancy from a fancy restaurant. That's not the point. The point is like we should respect our food. We should, the minute we enter kitchen, it should be like a temple. It should like, whenever I start, I said, please Lord bless my food. Literally, please help me. So I start blessing my procedure, my food, my ingredients, and trust me, I have made some of the most tastiest dishes. I can't even imagine. Okay, हमें लगता है अरे खाना ही तो बनाना है, लेट अस आउटसोर्स इट, सो व्हाट, जस्ट ईट इट माइंडलेसली. नो, you should really, I won't make it very superficial, but you will enjoy the taste. I like to sit down and enjoy. I don't take my phone or I don't distract myself with other things. Me and my meal for that another 10 to 15 minutes, and not so much on the plate, little quantities where you can enjoy the flavors. People eat in a rush when they are walking, no, or standing or something. Generally food should be eaten, I given a chance I'll sit down and eat in a thali. Literally, मैं और मेरी स्टील की थाली. So that way. And what else, I want to give this, because of non-veg I used to get all these rashes or something. Since I started hydrating myself, lemon and ginger concoctions. You don't need any. Every medicine is there in the kitchen. Keep your life simple. Every food like onion, garlic, ginger, main ingredients. और हमारा जो जीरा, धनिया, ये पुदीना, all this Indian stuff, turmeric, हल्दी, राई का तेल, ये राई, all these छोटा छोटा जो होता है ना, spices जो होते हैं वो, they are really really good. Seriously, make your spices your good friend. Not too much, not too much of it, but make them your good friend. I like ajwain, I like सौंफ का तड़का, so I minimum. फिर हमारी वो हींग भी रहती. Start using लाल मिर्च and लाल मिर्च की, use it in your food and enhance it. I see Indian foods too much curry based, oily. I don't know, this is the kind of idea which they have. आई लव माई इंडियन फूड. डंके की चोटी पे बोलूँगी, जो मुझे अपने हाथ का खाना पसंद है, बिकॉज आई मेक इट इन दैट वे. नॉट टू ऑयली, नॉट टू curry based, not too many flavors are not clashing. You will get some specific flavors. Why am I rambling this? Because people take simple things for granted. Even eating is become a social activity. Yes, we should be eating socially also, but here we are sitting, chit chatting, talking about celebrities, gossiping. Either we are upset, either we are cursing. I've seen YouTubers cursing a lot as influencers. They think by talking rubbish they're going to gain popularity. I think my look has changed is because I'm taking it step by step peacefully. I'm not rushing into too many things. ये भी है. And yes, that's making me feel good. Bindi thing is really really suiting. है कि नहीं? टैरो रीडर्स वो एक ही चीज़ बार 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 रिपीट करेंगे. इट्स लाइक दे आर गिविंग यू होप. ओके, देयर इज़ अ ब्रेकअप बट देयर इज़ अ रेकन्सिलिएशन. अरे वॉट एवर हैज़ टू हैपन विल हैपन. लोगों की 25 साल की शादियाँ टूट जाती है, तो ये छोटे मोटे अफेयर और सिचुएशनशिप, रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप क्या मायने रखते हैं? सो एक्सेप्ट इट. व्हाट एल्स? People still comment on my fake guru, and I'm thinking it's like 500 years ago. My content right now will be very very realistic, and I will see to that as much content I can deliver, a realistic one which makes some sense. The very reason I'm talking of cooking is because people are taking it for granted, literally taking it for granted. Okay, either they are eating too much, or either they are dieting, or either they are dieting should be done to detoxify, to adjust with your body system according to the season. Okay, I specifically diet in just say according to the season. It's monsoons non-veg को almost avoid करना चाहिए, almost, even leafy vegetables and stuff like that. But it's okay, people want to do what they want to do. What else? Manifestation, wish fulfillment. यार हमारे सारे विशेस अगर राइट आते तो कैसा मज़ा आता. बट आई डोंट थिंक आवर विशेस शुड बी फुलफिल्ड बिकॉज दे आर विशेस. समथिंग रियलिस्टिक, ठीक है, आई नीड टू बाय अ कार, इट्स समथिंग रियल टेंजिबल, बट आई वॉन्ट स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, आई वॉन्ट दैट ओनली पर्सन. नो, not there. You should ask that person also, are you ready for a relationship? Yeah, I am pushing myself on you. We don't realize all those things. बस manifestation करने. It's okay, affirmation, I have nothing against it. What else? I have seen there's a lot of curiosity regarding me. Like curious, what am I doing, how come I'm looking so much better, am I hanging around with people. मेरा वही होता है look of the day. या तो past के pictures. You know, I don't, as I said, except for fine dinings, I normally wouldn't like to push myself, at least here in Bombay. Say down south it's different. I'll talk you about vada pav also. The best of vada pav, misal pav you'll get in the interiors of Maharashtra, coastal side of Maharashtra, away from Bombay. The taste, because of the ingredients, because of the natural water and all, it tastes so good, really. Even the street, just street food बोलते हैं ना, you'll find it better in smaller places, because Bombay is totally commercialized, no? So people don't mind paying and eating whatever crap they get. It's my latest kurta. What else will I say? What do you all want to know? Please don't ask me silly questions how to talk to girls and all. This is not some kind of a coaching channel. How to talk to girls मतलब क्या? What do you have to talk to them? Normally. I don't know, when I see silly sort of statements, I find it, thankfully these days I'm not getting, but there was once upon a time I was handling thousands of hate messages, and I must be 200 subscribers, 10,000 haters, and till date I used to get so many messages. Some of them were completely useless. If I'm getting example 10 messages, from there 7 of them will be rubbish ones, and that 3 will be something better. I'm not saying praising about me, but people give their own feedback. So thankfully all that is not there. So now the crowd which is coming in is a little sensible. They think twice before posting something. वरना मैं कुछ आड़े टेढ़े मैसेजेस देखती हूँ ना, मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन आ जाती है. See, we don't have to look intellectual all the time. I don't need intelligent messages all the time, every time. You can just say, oh, good video, it's okay. Bad video, ठीक है, thank you very much. Don't intellectualize everything. There is no point in intellectualizing things, making your life complicated, and knowing so much ज्ञान का भंडार. No need to know so much of information. जितना information आता है, you can process the data, that much is enough. I used to feel very proud about myself that I know so much inside stories, but as I said, when I interacted with the Trutha community, और मैंने वहाँ पर भी देखा, they could be from the opposite sides, you know. And I'm not talking about in India में I have not interacted, but internationally I've interacted with a lot of Trutha channel people, and thank you very much. तभी मुझे पता चला कि ये जो ज्ञान का भंडार है, ठीक है, समझ में आता है, जितना आता है ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच. वाई डोंट आई टॉक अबाउट सीरियसली, जब मैं क्या, आई नो इनसाइड स्टोरीज, बट आई जस्ट जिप इट अप, नन ऑफ माई बिजनेस. जिनको जो करना है वो करे, अपने कर्मों का फल खाएंगे. Because the more you'll talk openly about certain things, it's like you're attracting. As I said, I used to get death threats. I had my email hacked. I had people calling me from unknown numbers. It was a nightmare experience. So now I don't want it. I'm done and dusted with it. Life is more peaceful. Thank you very much. And what else will I say? That's it. That's all I want to say. Take care of yourselves and let me know what you all think about. What do you all think about my content or anything new you all want me to talk about? But थोड़ा sensible बोल दो यार. अब मेरी उम्र देखो. Don't come and talk to me rubbish things because मैं नहीं entertain करूँगी. Okay? And be grateful. I'm not saying gratitude journal बनाओ. No need to make all that dramabazi. Just thankful I can walk, talk, have a normal life. Thank you very much, Lord. I don't know about universe. I say God. I say Lord. That's it. Universe तो it stars and planets और पता नहीं क्या क्या. Universe. Thank you universe. Thank you positive. मेरे पास specific person है. अरे भाई why? Yes, we should aspire to have good partners, but not like this. Not like this. फिर सब अपनी मन की मर्जी के चलाते, फिर कैसे चलता? Doesn't work out like that. That's all I want to say. Take care of yourselves and bye.